The power of carbohydrates, your body's energy source. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's fundamental to our diet and energy levels. Carbohydrates. What do they do? Where do they come from? And how can we make the best choices for our health? Let's find out. First things first, what are carbohydrates? At their core, carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients, alongside proteins and fats. They're vital for providing energy. In fact, they're the body's preferred source of fuel. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose. This glucose is then transported to your cells, powered by insulin to keep everything running smoothly. Now, let's talk about the different types of carbohydrates. They fall into three main categories: simple, complex, and refined. Simple carbohydrates are made up of one or two sugar molecules. Think fruits, milk, and some sweeteners. Complex carbohydrates contain longer chains of sugar and include whole grains, legumes, and vegetables that take longer to digest. They're packed with fiber and energy. Refined carbohydrates have been processed and often lack essential nutrients. Common examples include white bread and sugary snacks. So, how does your body process these carbs? When you eat, your body converts them into glucose, providing you with energy for daily activities and exercise. The brain alone uses about 20 to 25% of our glucose at rest, highlighting just how crucial carbs are for proper functioning. If your body doesn't need the extra energy, it stores glucose as fat. This can lead to weight gain if you consistently consume more carbs than you burn. Now, where do we get these carbohydrates? Mostly from plants. Foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and beans are packed with them. However, not all carbs are created equal. While complex carbohydrates are beneficial, refined carbs can have negative effects like quick spikes in blood sugar. Just be mindful of the kind you choose. Here are some healthful substitutes. Swap white pasta for whole grain varieties. Try quinoa or baked sweet potatoes instead of white bread. Opt for whole grain oats instead of processed cereals. Choose a hearty vegetable and bean soup instead of pizza. Remember, carbohydrates are essential for energy and overall health. Include more complex carbs in your diet and limit those refined options for a balanced and healthful lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Together, let's make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle.